Greetings everyone, Sarfat and Sci-Fi is back.
Yay!
Welcome back. Today what I have here is the Hammond Collection Metriacanthosaurus. I haven't seen this in a while, it's just buried downstairs. So I brought it out. It's one of a kind, you can't find this anymore. They still didn't have the marble eye back then. Okay, and the teeth's not really that impressive yet back then too. I'm not really impressed with the teeth, it's not that sharp. Yeah. Alright, so the reason I brought this out because we're gonna compare it to a wild roar, the new one. It's called the ABELISAURus.
ABELISAURus, yay!
Here we go. We're gonna check this out. Right now, the sound doesn't work because you have this weird plastic strap here that we have to pull out. Okay, so when we pull it out, it's gonna work. Okay. There you go. See? There you go.
That looks nice. It's like a cool sound.
Let's check the back.
It's so cool.
So we already did the Alcosaurus. We already have the Ankylosaurus. This we don't know yet because it could be in this box right now, right here. Right here. We're gonna.
Paint that.
It could be in there. It could be the Spiclepius.
No, paint that.
Okay, we're gonna unbox this box today after this video.
I'm gonna paint that, bro.
So, first of all right. So let's unbox it now. Let's check it out. Open this. I'd like to say thank you again for the subscribes, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you so much. Pick up the tail. Oh, it's a really short tail. Okay. There you go. This ABELISAURus has 4 fingers, so it's obviously not a Tyrannosaurid. Why is the arms? Okay, it's stuck. Okay, so it has a shark fin in its throat for some reason. Okay, nice scales. We definitely need another one, and here's the DNA scan because it doesn't have a variant yet, so we need another one. We're gonna do a repaint. So let's put it up and down. There you go. It goes left and right. The arms doesn't move. There you have it. Not bad. Okay, so let's compare to the Hammond Collection Metriacanthosaurus. Almost the same size. Definitely. Body type. Yeah. There you have it. I'm not familiar with this dinosaur, or I've never heard of it. ABELISAURus. I have to look this up later. Okay. So there you go. Nothing special about it. It's pretty much it's shark fin on its throat. That's what I see here. Just this one. You can tell this is obviously a carnivore. Okay, so let's check out our surprise box now. What's in it? Okay, the kids are excited again. Let's get rid of this. Okay. Alright, we're gonna check it out, guys.
There's 2 dinosaurs inside.
This could be the Spiclepius.
That's like both of them.
Uh-oh. Alright, we're
Close your
opening it.
eyes.
Okay, let's see what's inside. What do we have here? What's this? What is this? What kind of dinosaur is this? Oh yes! What is this?
It's like a gun. Why is it a gun?
This is super sweet, guys.
What is that? I ordered that. I know you have to order that.
So we're gonna put the fuel. It's a fuel gun. Okay. There you go. Pretty cool.
What is that? That's a gun shot. That.
Yeah, we put some air in it. We're gonna use this on making our hybrids. Okay, guys, to melt the clay.
Melt the
All right.
clay?
Cool.
I know you melt the clay.
All right. Now what else is in?
I know this. I know this.
Hey, wait, suffer road. So what we have here inside the box is the Purussaurus. Yes, we finally have the Purussaurus. The Purussaurus. Yeah.
Why the box is so like that? It looks
We
flat.
finally have it. This crocodilian. Looks
Oh my
like
god, look at his nose. Why his nose is so big?
he's got a flat nose.
A flat nose? We call that?
All right, cool stuff.
Honestly, sister.
It's a big crocodilian, guys.
You put out of the water too. You put out the water.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Look at that.
I just make sound.
All right,
Yes.
so we already did the Chilantosaurus. That's done. All right, guys.
I
Nice.
like to keep this. I like to keep this.
There
it
you
looks,
go.
I want to name him
Obviously, he doesn't have a sound because he's a gigantic trasher, so no sounds.
No Sound.
Yeah, so let's put
I'm
it
gonna
there.
hear the sound next
Now let's
time.
back to our main guy here, the ABELISAURus. Okay, guys, that's it for today. You guys have a good one now, and don't forget to subscribe, okay? Make sure to like this video. Thank you again, and have a good evening. Fare thee well.